video, and I'm going to show you some things that we've done in the past to get our boat ready for our adventure. This boat has a Ford-Lehman 120 horse diesel engine, and from time to time it needs maintenance. We've already done the fuel injector pump oil change, which took a whole 15 minutes, very simple to do. And now we're going to do the engine oil change. And believe it or not, this engine takes 3 gallons of oil. We hooked up an oil pump, put the tube down in the oil pan, I guess you'd call it, and pumped it out. It took 45 minutes, and I thought that was kind of a long time. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna change oil and let you see how simple it is. It wouldn't have taken as long if the pump had pumped it out faster, and that's going to change. I'm going to get a better pump next time. But yeah, the engine oil on this engine is required to be changed every 200 hours, and we didn't really know when the original owner changed the oil last, so we thought we would just change it now as a baseline. So without any more delay, I'm going to turn this over to Bob, and he will run us through it.
Well, another day, another trip to the engine room. We've already completed our morning asanas, and now we can see we are actually in the dead man posture. And as the hard work of an oil change is underway, we have good Captain Oliver is holding the sump with straw. Yeah, see, he's working now on the left side, relaxed posture. Of course, if we continue this all day, he may never get to the right side, and he'll be imbalanced. So we'll have him work on the filters on this side.
Right here, where my foot is.
Right there, right where the foot is. So he'll be balanced out by the end of this exercise in changing the oil. It's actually 12 quarts of oil that we're changing. And you can see here as well where the alternator has been completed. It took 2 days because we needed 1 bolt threaded metric to complete the process. But the good news is the batteries are actually performing to full standards now.
Thank you for tuning in. We're about to get on with our day, but I'd like to ask you a favor to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you can be informed of future videos. And this really helps my channel out. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I need you. So without any further commentary, this is Alaska Pathfinder.